Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a go at the IKEA PAX sliding doors. I'll be putting them together from scratch, seeing how smoothly they slide and finding out if they're as easy to fit as they say. I'm a bit nervous, as you know. I usually stick things on regular doors, but with space being really tight, sliding doors seem like the best option. I'll take you through every step right up close so you can see exactly how it comes together on the PAX unit. Whether you're thinking of upgrading your wardrobe or just curious if these sliding doors are any good, this is the one you won't want to miss. So grab your favourite cuppa, get comfy and let's get stuck in. Let's see if these IKEA sliding doors are a DIY winner or a tricky challenge. So I have just built two 100 PAX wardrobes. If you've never built one before, I have a full guide on my channel. If you want to follow along, I actually watch it every time I build because I still can't remember. These are the original IKEA PAX wardrobes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, they are bringing out a new style. I've got videos on my channel discussing, and I've actually got one in my house, which is available in the UK, but only in the grey beige colour. So if you're thinking of the grey beige, you might want to watch that video because you will get the new design of. So do watch those. And I've just put the lights in again. Love these lights. They're actually half the price they used to be. And I've got a full video on my channel all about the lights. I really, really like these wired ones. Would highly recommend them. So I've now attached it to the wall. The sliding doors I'm going to be using are going to be going on the left-hand side. They are two 100s. These are standard height IKEA. Even though it looks like I haven't got space for the taller ones. So I'm going to start building the doors and let's see if they're easy to fit. IKEA furniture and thought I can make that better? Well, now you can. The IKEA Hackers DIY Handbook is your ultimate guide to transforming ordinary furniture into extraordinary pieces like me. From planning to execution, I'm sharing all my best hacks and design secrets to help you create the home of your dreams. Get ready to hack your home in 2025. Just click the link below to grab your copy. And there we are, they are built. I must say I'm very impressed with the way it glides, it's very smooth. I did worry it popped out a little bit when I was putting them on, but once you put these side pieces on, which I have to say I stared at for about 15 minutes, it really does make sense, so it closes the gap. They slide nicely, it works really well with the lighting that I've put in. And once you've worked out these attach to the front of the door and just screw in like so. I literally was completely confused, but it slides across nicely, and then you have two pieces on the end that work as sort of like a soft close. They just attach just at the front, and then you just screw them in. These don't have any holes, you have to make your own, but once you've worked it out, it really does slide really smoothly, and I really like them. These are fantastic if you haven't got much space. We are a little bit tight with space here. She's got about 40 centimeters gap. I could move the bed over a bit more, but we wanted to be able to have it either side. So if you have got a tight space, I would recommend these. These are the GRIMO doors. They were 225 quid for these, so I think it's slightly cheaper than buying 4 individual doors because you've got the price of the brackets as well. The running mechanism, very impressed. Once you clicked it in at the top, it was super simple. So I'm pretty impressed. It's a new one for me. If you're looking to do your own bespoke, normally this is what I do. I stick things on things. So if you're thinking about something more fitted, these are my wardrobes, and that's the normal style. But if you want something simple, these are really good. So I've got a massive collection of videos on my channel, including things like building the base, if you want to build it in a bit more. But as we're having building work with this one, I'm not. So I hope you found that helpful. I'm very impressed. Thank you for watching. Check out the other videos, and I'll see you on the next video. If you're new around here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I do new videos every week, including IKEA hacks, home renovation DIY guides, and even the odd travel and product review. So if you're starting or planning a renovation, do hit the subscribe button.